Hey lovelies, welcome back to yet another video. Stay tuned while I show you how to complete this beautiful eyeshadow look in a few simple steps. Firstly, I'm going to prime my lids with some eyeshadow base and then set it with some translucent powder. Going in with a very fluffy crease brush, I'm going to take that color and pack, then swipe it across my lid. Now, if you have been here for some time, you will know that I have hooded eyes. So every color that we place on the lid has to be above the natural crease. Next, you'll see me going with a smaller, denser brush to make sure I pack that shade on the outer corner of my eye. This is going to create some dimension on the eyelid. I also tend to go within a V so that my eyes look a bit lifted since my eyes are slightly downturned. If you have hooded eyes like myself, it is always good to do your eyeshadow with your eyes open, or mainly check to see if the shades fall above your natural crease. You'll see me go back in again with that fluffy brush just to blend out the edges of the dark brown shade to make sure everything blends seamlessly. Next, you'll see me going with this beautiful shade from the Black Radiance eyeshadow palette. I absolutely love this color. With a dense packing brush, I'm going to go in to make sure that that pigment comes off way better on my lids. Now I'm going back with that fluffy brush again to just blend and make sure there are no harsh edges. I created a small wing liner with this look specifically because I thought it would be perfect and it wouldn't be too much. Next, you see me go in with some mascara and then apply a beautiful pair of lashes which I bought from Shein, which I definitely have to stock up on. Now you see me adding some black liner to my waterline and then smoking it out using the dark eyeshadow that we used a bit earlier. Next, I went ahead to add some shimmer to my inner corners. I really think it looks beautiful, but it's not necessary. You could actually create this look without it. Last but not least, we're just adding some mascara, ladies, and we are done. So there we have it, guys. Please share your thoughts on this look. I really want to know what you think. If you did like this video, please give me a thumbs up and make sure you comment and subscribe. Stay tuned for more and see you in the next one.